Well, hello, Lucas. What's happening? Do you want to show everybody your new bike leash? So, basically, it's a board, a couple holes in it. One hole for the seat post, one hole in the back that clears the bike rack, and it's got a pretty good tilt up with bungees under tension. And then the leash itself is attached to another bungee with a lot of tension, so it can swing free and then comes back around. And if he stops or we got to make a sudden stop, there's plenty of give, so nobody's gonna get hurt.
How do you feel about your crack showing? There you go.
Lucas approved.